I just want to say good night. Rachel Isadora. On the African Veld, there is a village. As the sun sets, parents tell their children it is time for bed. Layla greets her papa, who has been fishing. "Oh, you caught a big one," she says. "Yes, it was a good day," Papa says. "It is time for bed," Papa tells Layla. "I just want to say good night to the fish," Layla says. "Come, Layla," Mama says. "I just want to say good night to the cat," Layla says. "It's getting late," Mama calls. "I just want to say good night to the bird," Layla says. "Layla, I just want to say good night to the goat," Layla says. "It is time to go to sleep," Mama calls. "I just want to say good night to the monkey," Layla says. "Come now," Mama says. "I just want to say good night to the chickens," Layla says. "Oh, Layla," Mama says. "I just want to say good night to the little ants," Layla says. "I'm just not ready to go to sleep," Layla says to her dog. Woof. "Now," Mama says. Yes, I'm coming. I just want to say good night to the rock," Layla says. Layla gets into bed. "Sweet dreams," Mama says. "Good night, Mama." "I just want to say good night to my book," Layla says. "Good night, Moon," she whispers and smiles.